Hey guys, it's Aaron here, and today I'm doing a video on trying to fly a helicopter. This is my first time flying it, and I don't have the helicopter on the control, so let's get to it. Oh, it's very hard to control this when you just use one hand to fly this, because I just use my two hands. I just put in the throttle forward, so I don't know if you can see this, but if you can see the back plate, you see it spinning, I just control the helicopter so it will go forward. Ah! No! It almost attacked me! Jeez. So as you can see, I'm not trying to. When I was flying this before, trying to get the hang of it, one of the back tail, I lost it. So lucky thing they gave me an extra one with extra blades. I don't know what's going on. The helicopter don't want to fly anymore. I'm trying. Dog Ark. I don't know why it's not a fly. If you can see this, my light's supposed to be right here, but I make a mistake and hit it into the wall, and the light is inside here somewhere. I'll try to take it off and put it back on. So it's coming back on. Sorry. Shit. So if you could see that little thing, you could see something right here blinking. That's the lights. So I had to dismantle the helicopter to get the blade back, to get the light in. Oh. Oh shit, dog. So if you could see that, I just have broken off my helicopter blade, so I had to use some epoxy and some crazy glue to glue back that in. So I don't know if my father would be mad at me. So let's see if I can still fire. So you can see that. So guys, thanks for watching.